Imagine having the world's biggest shopping mall at your fingertips, available 24/7 from home. That's Temu. With over 250 categories and millions of items, this platform is paradise for product discovery. Need a wardrobe makeover? Browse thousands of fashion items, including dresses, shoes, bags, and accessories. Upgrading tech? Find smartphones, tablets, headphones, smartwatches, and latest gadgets at unbeatable prices. Transforming your space? Discover furniture, lighting, decor, and storage solutions for your dream home. The variety continues with beauty products, sports equipment, toys, pet supplies, office essentials, arts and crafts, automotive accessories, and garden tools. Whatever you're searching for, you'll likely find it on Temu with multiple options. The platform makes filtering and sorting incredibly easy based on preferences, budget, and needs. With new items added constantly, there's always fresh discoveries. Find the link to Temu and a special coupon code in the description and comments below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more shopping insights and exclusive deals.